It is very relevant to have first-hand specific information which is directly related to the research question, simply because it ensures accuracy. It allows the researchers to obtain insights that are directly applicable to their study. Also, it suits specific needs and it reduces biases, and all these lead to innovative solutions. Yeah, this is nothing but collection of primary data. Yes, I'm talking about collection of primary data, and let us try to understand more about it. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. In this session, you will understand various methods of collecting primary data. Data can be collected through conducting interviews, through questionnaires, through local sources, and through correspondence. So we shall discuss each of these in slightly more details. Let's begin. Let's understand some of the methods of collecting primary data. Primary data can be collected either through interviews or through questionnaires, or there are other sources through which data can be collected. We shall discuss all the three in details. Let us now try to understand interviews as a method of collecting primary data. Interview can either be direct personal interview or indirect oral interview. Direct personal investigation is the method by which data are personally collected by the investigator from the informants. That means the investigator is in direct contact with the people from whom information is collected. But this method can be successful only if the investigator is very efficient, is impartial, and has a lot of tolerance. For example, if one needs to find out the academic achievement of students, one can be in touch with the students directly. This method is considered to be more accurate and reliable. So far as indirect oral investigation is concerned, in this method, information is obtained orally from people who are expected to possess the necessary information, and such people are witnesses. That is a method used mainly by committees and commissions appointed by the government. Simple example is, in order to find out the grievances of the workers, one can talk to the trade union leader instead of workers themselves. Now one has to decide which of the two methods is a better method to collect information. Well, it depends upon various factors. One has to see the coverage, whether the information needs to be collected from the small area or from large area. If it is a small area, then direct personal interview is a better option. But if it's a wider area, then indirect oral investigation is a better option. Having direct personal interview means the data is original, as indirect oral investigation lacks originality. Direct personal interview is considered to be more costly in terms of time, money, and efforts, simply because investigator is involved directly with data collection. Direct oral investigation is less expensive in terms of time, money, and efforts. So, direct personal interview is more reliable in comparison to indirect oral interview. Another method for collecting primary data is through questionnaires. These questionnaires can either be sent through mail, that is mailed questionnaires, or data can be collected with the help of enumerators. The questionnaires are usually sent by mail to inquire through several pertinent questions. In questionnaires, there is a space for entering the asked information. The informants are requested to return the questionnaire to the investigator within a certain time period. This method, though, is cheap, reasonably expeditious, and good for extensive inquiries. But however, only a small percentage of recipients respond to questionnaires, and it is difficult to collect information through questionnaires. Recipients may respond only if there is incentive involved in it. So far as collection through enumerators is concerned, here the enumerators are trained to collect the information. They assist the informants in making the entries in the schedules or questionnaires correctly. If the enumerator is well trained, experienced, and discreet, then one gets the most reliable information through this method. But the enumerator-driven approach works best only for large-scale governmental or organizational inquiry, simply because it may be prohibitive for private individuals or institutions. We can also collect primary data through local sources or through correspondence. In this method, the agents or local correspondents collect and send the required information using their own judgment as to the best way of obtaining it. There is no formal collection of data. This method is cheap and expeditious but gives only estimates. It may involve local agents' biases. I am sure you must have understood how is primary data collected through interviews, through questionnaires, through local sources, and through correspondence. With this, the session comes to an end, and next time we shall begin with construction of a questionnaire. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.